Packing a suitcase seems straightforward until you are standing at the airport check-in counter with an overweight bag and a rising sense of panic. The secret to stress-free travel starts long before you reach the airport. It starts at home with a plan. Before you even open your suitcase, write a packing list. Categorize everything into clothing, toiletries, documents, electronics, and miscellaneous items. This simple step prevents the classic mistake of overpacking things you will never use while forgetting the essentials you actually need. Not all suitcases are created equal. For short trips of 1 to 3 days, a carry-on bag is your best friend. It saves time, avoids checked baggage fees, and keeps your belongings within reach. For longer trips, a medium to large checked suitcase works better. Always check the airline's size and weight restrictions before packing. Most airlines allow checked bags weighing up to 23 kilograms and carry-on bags up to 7 to 10 kilograms. Invest in a lightweight suitcase so the bag itself does not eat into your weight allowance. Hard-shell suitcases protect fragile items better, while soft-shell bags offer more flexibility when squeezing into tight overhead compartments. The golden rule of packing is this: if you are unsure whether you need it, you probably do not. Start with the basics: enough clothing for each day of your trip, plus 1 or 2 extra outfits for emergencies. Choose versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched. Roll your clothes instead of folding them to save space and reduce wrinkles. Pack toiletries in travel-sized containers and place them in a clear, resealable bag to comply with airport security liquid rules, which typically limit liquids to containers of 100 milliliters or less. Always pack your travel documents, passport, boarding pass, travel insurance, and any required visas in an easily accessible pouch. Medications should go in your carry-on, never in checked luggage, in case your bag gets delayed or lost. Overpacking is one of the most common travel mistakes. A heavy suitcase is physically exhausting to drag through airports, upstairs, and across cobblestone streets. A practical approach is to lay out everything you plan to pack, then remove 1/3 of it. You will almost certainly not miss those extra items. Use packing cubes to organize your suitcase into sections, making it easier to find things without unpacking everything. Weigh your bag at home using a luggage scale before heading to the airport. This small step can save you from expensive overweight baggage fees at the check-in counter. Arriving at the airport with a well-packed bag is only half the battle. Check-in can be a source of stress if you are unprepared. Most airlines now offer online check-in, which opens 24 to 48 hours before departure. Use this option to select your seat, confirm your baggage, and receive your boarding pass digitally. This saves significant time at the airport. When you do arrive, head to the bag drop counter if you have already checked in online. If your bag exceeds the weight limit, you may be asked to pay an overweight fee or redistribute items into your carry-on. Always arrive at the airport at least 2 hours before a domestic flight and 3 hours before an international flight to allow enough time for check-in, security screening, and boarding. Once your flight lands, the journey is not quite over. Head to the baggage claim area and locate the correct carousel for your flight, which is usually displayed on overhead screens. To make your suitcase easy to identify on the conveyor belt, add a brightly colored luggage tag or a distinctive ribbon. If your bag does not arrive, do not leave the airport without filing a missing baggage report with the airline's baggage services desk. Keep your baggage claim receipt as it is required for tracking. Most delayed bags are returned within 24 to 48 hours. If your bag arrives damaged, report it immediately before leaving the baggage claim area. Traveling smart means being prepared for every stage of the journey, from the moment you zip up your suitcase at home to the moment you collect it at your destination.